Now we are going to talk about data sources. Okay, every like you do on an Instagram or Twitter, every email you read or send or write, every swipe of a MasterCard you buy, whether it was from your grocery store or from websites, everything in Twitter, even if you saw the tweet, you just saw the tweet but you didn't like it, you didn't retweet it, you didn't comment on that tweet, you just saw it, that's considered as a views. So that's a data source. Every single click you click, that's a source of data. We basically use the data to describe the present, and we also use it to predict the future. Then we have types of data. We have quantitative, which is, I will call it by numbers, and then we have qualitative, I'll call them categorical. Okay, we will take examples. Quantitative deals with numbers and they can be measured. Qualitative, they describe the thing and they can be observed, I mean like seen, but they cannot be measured. We'll take an example here. Same data. Okay, here the quantitative data is that this fridge is 60-inch tall, and this fridge has 2 apples and it costs 1,000. Okay, 60 to 1,000, they can be measured. So this is a quantitative data. Same data here, same fridge. The qualitative data is that the color is red and it was built in Italy, and the fridge smells like a fish. Okay, I hope this simple example explained the difference between quantitative and qualitative data.